I got a receipt when I paid for shoes. Proof of payment, that's the word we use. Folded little paper from the cashier's hand. Keep your receipt, now I understand. Receipt, receipt, after you pay. It shows you bought it on that day. At the store, at the mall, at the cafe seat. Money is gone, you get a receipt. My grandma showed me a recipe for pie.
Add some sugar.
Let the dough rise high.
In the kitchen, cooking something nice.
A recipe tells ingredients and advice. Recipe, recipe, cooking at home. Mix and bake till the flavor has grown. Soup or cake or something sweet. Food instructions are a recipe sheet. Then I got sick and the doctor said,
take this prescription.
Carefully read. Not for dinner, not for the store. Medicine rules from a doctor's drawer. Prescription, prescription, medical plan. Needed for drugs you can't buy by hand.
Pharmacy counter, medicine mission.
Doctor's order is a prescription. Receipt to shopping, payment complete.
Recipe helps you cook and eat.
Prescription comes from a doctor's decision.
Three similar words,
but a different mission. Receipt for buying, recipe for food. Prescription for medicine to improve your mood.
don't mix them up when you speak or write.
Now these three words feel clear and right.